Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. Today we're diving into an incredible piece of technology you won't want to miss. If you're running a small business, an Etsy shop, or just tired of the endless hassle of printing shipping labels, then listen up because the SVANTTO Bluetooth thermal label printer is about to change your life. This isn't just another gadget. It's a productivity powerhouse designed to streamline your workflow and save you precious time and money. Right out of the gate, one of the most remarkable features of the SVANTTO printer is its dual connectivity options. Forget being tethered to a single computer or operating system. This printer gives you ultimate flexibility. For your traditional desktop setup, it seamlessly connects via USB to Windows, macOS, and even ChromeOS systems. But here's where it truly shines for the modern entrepreneur. It also connects wirelessly via Bluetooth to your iOS and Android devices. Imagine this. You're packing orders on the go, maybe at a pop-up market, or just away from your main desk. With the intuitive FlashLabel Pro app on your phone, you can print professional 4x6 shipping labels instantly. No more waiting, no more transferring files, just pure, unadulterated convenience. This level of freedom means you can run your business more efficiently from virtually anywhere. But what about speed and quality? The SVANTTO doesn't just connect easily, it prints fast and clear. This thermal printer boasts an impressive high-speed printing capability of up to 180 millimeters per second. What does that mean for you? It means you can print up to an astounding 72 4x6 shipping labels per minute. If you're currently wrestling with a sluggish inkjet or laser printer, you know every second counts when you're fulfilling orders. This speed translates directly into more time saved, allowing you to focus on growing your business rather than waiting for labels to print. And here's the kicker. It uses direct thermal technology, which means no more expensive, messy ink cartridges or toner. Ever. Think of the savings. No more emergency runs to the office supply store, no more smudged labels, just crisp, clear, scannable labels every single time, saving you money and headaches in the long run. Now, let's talk about compatibility, because a great printer is useless if it doesn't work with your existing platforms. The SVANTTO thermal label printer is a true universal solution for small businesses. It handles label sizes from a versatile 1.57 inches all the way up to the standard 4.3 inches, making it perfect for virtually any shipping need. And for all you e-commerce gurus out there, you'll be thrilled to know it's compatible with pretty much every major shipping platform you can think of: Amazon, UPS, FedEx, USPS, eBay, Etsy, and Shopify. This comprehensive compatibility means you don't need different printers or complicated workarounds for different sales channels. One printer, one streamlined process, complete peace of mind. It truly covers all your labeling needs, making your operational life significantly simpler. Beyond just shipping labels, the included FlashLabel Pro app opens up a world of versatile DIY labeling options. This isn't just a utilitarian tool, it's a creative powerhouse. You get access to over 3,000 pre-designed templates, more than 5,000 icons, and over 100 fonts. Want to add a personalized thank you sticker to your packages? Design a unique product label? Or simply make your shipping labels pop with your brand logo? The FlashLabel Pro app makes it incredibly easy, with no complicated setup required. This ability to customize and personalize your labels adds a professional touch that sets your business apart, elevating your brand image without any extra effort or cost. In conclusion, the SVANTTO Bluetooth thermal label printer isn't just a printer. It's an investment in your business's efficiency, professionalism, and profitability. Its dual connectivity, blazing fast ink-free printing, and wide compatibility with all major platforms make it an indispensable tool for any small business owner or e-commerce seller. It's compact, incredibly user-friendly, and comes with everything you need to get started right away. If you're ready to reclaim your time, cut down on costs, and take your shipping process from a chore to a seamless part of your day, then this is the printer you need. So, if you're ready to transform your shipping process and boost your business, check out the SVANTTO Bluetooth thermal label printer. You can find the link in the description below, along with my full written review. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel for more tech reviews, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss our next upload. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.